Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best tire and wheel assemblies is probably one of the most crucial components for your vehicle's performance and safety, impacting everything from handling and braking to fuel efficiency and overall ride comfort, making the selection process a critical step for any car owner looking to maintain or upgrade their ride. Number 5. eCustomrim ST20575D15 Trailer Tire Rim Assembly. Get a complete trailer tire and rim assembly, ready for immediate use. It's designed for reliable performance and comes with a 2-year warranty and roadside assistance. These bias-ply trailer tires are rated for a maximum load of 18-20 pounds and 50 psi. They offer stable towing and consistent operation for your trailer. The 15 by 5 inch rim features a 5-lug on 4.5 inch bolt pattern, ensuring a secure fit for your trailer tires. It's engineered for optimal strength and durability. Each assembly is DOT approved, including the tire, wheel, and valve stem. This guarantees safety and consistent performance for various trailer applications. With a reinforced square shoulder tread, it enhances road contact for improved traction and stability. You'll experience better control under various load conditions. Enjoy a smoother and quieter ride thanks to the modern tread design. It reduces road noise while maintaining a firm grip for comfortable towing. These tires are built with RoHS-compliant rubber compounding, reducing hazardous substances. They are engineered for strength and durability in demanding trailer applications. What we like. This assembly offers robust performance with its load range C rating and reinforced tread for superior road contact. Its environmentally conscious rubber compounding is a significant plus. If you're looking for durable and stable towing for your utility or cargo trailer, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The tires are designed for durability and provide excellent traction on various surfaces. The wheel assembly is easy to install and fits perfectly with the specified vehicle models. The materials used in the construction are high quality, ensuring a long lifespan for the product. Number 4. eCustomrim 2-Pack Trailer Tire Rim Assembly 4.80-12. Get a complete trailer tire and rim assembly, ready for immediate use. It's DOT approved for safety and designed for reliable performance on the road. This assembly features a load range B, 4-ply tire. It's rated for 785 pounds, and a maximum pressure of 60 psi, ensuring stable towing. The 12-inch white steel wheel has a 5-lug on 4.5 inch center bolt pattern. This ensures a secure and proper fit for your trailer. Experience improved road contact with its reinforced tread. This design helps maintain traction and stability, even under varying load conditions. Enjoy a smoother and quieter towing experience thanks to its modern tread design. It reduces road noise while maintaining a secure grip. Built with precision-engineered construction for optimal strength and durability. The rubber compounding is also RoHS-compliant, reducing hazardous substances. Your purchase includes a 2-year manufacturer's warranty with roadside assistance for added peace of mind. What we like. Featuring a load range B rating and a more compact size, this option is designed for lighter loads and easier maneuverability. The RoHS-compliant rubber also ensures an eco-friendlier choice. If you have a smaller utility trailer or need a reliable, lighter-duty tire assembly, this would be ideal. What people say. The tires are durable and provide excellent traction on various surfaces. The wheels are well balanced, ensuring a smooth ride and reducing vibration. The assembly process was straightforward, and the parts fit perfectly. Number 3. eCustomrim ST17580D13 Trailer Tire. Introducing the eCustomrim Trailer Tire, designed for optimal road contact and a smooth ride. Its modern tread design offers a quiet and stable experience. With a load range C, this tire is built to handle a maximum load of 1,360 pounds and a maximum pressure of 50 psi. It's ready for your hauling needs. The accompanying 13 by 4.5 rim features a 5-lug bolt configuration for secure mounting. It's designed for durability and a perfect fit. Rest assured, the tire, wheel, and valve stem are all DOT approved. You're getting quality and safety you can trust. Enjoy peace of mind with a full 2-year warranty. Plus, we include free roadside assistance for added convenience on your journeys. Experience high load performance thanks to the reinforced square shoulder tread. This ensures excellent road contact and reliable support. What we like. This option comes with a 13-inch wheel and a modern tread design that mimics radial tires for reduced noise. It's DOT approved for safety and includes a great warranty. If you prioritize a quieter ride and a slightly larger wheel size for your trailer, this is a compelling pick. What people say. The tires are very durable and have excellent traction on various surfaces. The wheels are lightweight, which improves the vehicle's handling and fuel efficiency. Assembly was straightforward, and the components fit perfectly. Number 2. MODZ Mauler 12 Golf Cart Wheel and Tire Combo. Introducing the MODZ Mauler, a 12-inch golf cart wheel with a glossy black finish and a striking ball mill design. It features a 4x4 bolt pattern and a -25 offset for a perfect fit. Paired with these wheels are the Arisun Cruise tires, a DOT-approved, 4-ply option that's street legal. Their unique tread pattern ensures excellent performance in both wet and dry conditions. Enjoy a smooth and quiet ride wherever you go. These tires are turf-safe and street-legal, making them perfect for any surface. Each wheel and tire combo is expertly mounted and meticulously inspected at our advanced facility. We ensure top quality before it's shipped directly to you. This comprehensive set includes 16 black lug nuts and 4 center caps. Everything you need for an easy installation is right here. Designed to fit Atlas, Club Car, and EasyGO golf carts without requiring a lift kit. Upgrade your ride effortlessly with this versatile combo. What we like. Designed specifically for golf carts, this combo features stylish glossy black wheels with low-profile, street-legal tires. The Arisun Cruise tires offer great performance in wet and dry conditions and are turf-safe. If you're upgrading your golf cart for both on- and off-course use, and want a sleek look with reliable performance, this set is perfect. What people say. The tires are made of a durable rubber compound that provides excellent grip on various surfaces. The wheels are constructed from lightweight yet strong aluminum alloy, contributing to better fuel efficiency. The assembly process was straightforward, and the parts fit perfectly onto the vehicle. Number 1. Antego 18x8.50-8 Golf Cart Tire and Wheel Set. Upgrade your golf cart with this complete set of 4 pre-mounted tires and wheels. They come ready to install, offering a convenient solution for replacement. Specifically built as a replacement for your golf cart's existing tires and wheels. This set is perfect if you're looking for an 18x8.50-8 tire and rim combination. Experience smooth handling and steady traction thanks to the non-directional turf tread design. It provides reliable performance with minimal impact on various surfaces. These wheels feature a stylish matte black finish, adding a sleek look to your equipment. They are built to last and designed for durability. This set includes 18x8.50-8 tires mounted on 8x7 matte black steel wheels. They have a 4-bolt fitment and are designed for golf cart and lawn use. Please confirm your tire size, wheel dimensions, and bolt pattern before ordering. These are intended for off-road and golf cart use only, not for highway service. What we like. This set includes pre-mounted tires on matte black wheels, specifically designed for golf cart and lawn equipment use with a focus on low turf impact. The 4-ply turf tread ensures smooth handling and steady traction. If you need a direct replacement for your golf cart or lawn equipment, prioritizing turf protection and a clean aesthetic, this assembly is a solid choice. What people say. The tires are very durable and have excellent grip on various surfaces. The wheels are made of high-quality material and have a sleek, modern design. The assembly process was straightforward and the parts fit perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.